Assalamu alaikum dosto, your friend Aatif here. This particular trip I am going to Iceland specifically for the volcanic eruption that is taking place over there right now. I heard it's spewing a lot of lava. We did some research on it and it looks incredible. So we're gonna go check it out and hopefully you'll enjoy this journey with me. Let's go. Okay, these are all the camera gears. Let's check it. This is my van?
This is your van right here. Right here, the fuel tank. You just open up the door and open it. Then you shouldn't worry about it. Just remember to put the diesel in this one.
Yes.
And then right here, there's the water tank. You can see the easiest way to fill this one up is just to put a water hose in, but you might not have to. It's only 3 days. But you can open up. It's a brand new car, so
awesome.
It's like not that much of like gravel chips and stuff like that. Right here, in this bag right here are, the bedding, like duvets, pillows, and the sheet of the bed. So this is everything you need to sleep with. People usually put their like bags down here and stuff. And on the inside, I'll show you here the cooler. I'm just going to turn that one on for you, set the temperature, and this one can stay on the entire time, no problem. In these boxes right here you have like all your utensils. Over here you have like plates, bowls and cups and stuff. You also have like 2 of these
awesome.
coffee cups. This one is just empty for like storage. And then this one you have pot and pan, cutting board, and hot plate. Over here you have the stove. That's pretty simple. You have these gas canisters. You have 4 extra ones down here. You just put this end or tip right here, and then just make sure that this one goes inside like water tank, and you just pump it up and down, and the water goes down like this.
Very nice.
The water that goes into the sink, you don't need to worry about emptying it. But then to open it up or pull it down, you just unlock it like this, and then just pull it all the way down like this. And then just
beautiful.
Like this. Pretty simple. And then to put it back up, you just lift it up like this, and then lock it. Pretty simple.
Beautiful. Very simple.
The spare tire is underneath the car in the back, and the two.
ओके तो ये है हमारी कैंपर वैन। मैंने ये कैंपर वैन इसलिए ले ली क्योंकि हमें आइसलैंड प्रॉपरली एक्सप्लोर करना है हमारे ओन टर्म्स के ऊपर। और आज रात तो हमारे पास होटल है, बट आई डोंट नो कल रात होगा या परसों रात होगा और हम लोग कहाँ पर होंगे, क्योंकि वी वांट टू टेक आवर टाइम इन एवरी प्लेस दैट वी विजिट। और फिर इसी में तो एंजॉयमेंट है। अब इसके अंदर सब कुछ है, किचन है, छोटा सा किचन है, बेड है, बेडिंग है। Me and my wife will be very comfortable in this particular thing if we don't find any hotel where we are tomorrow night. तो अभी हम लोग जाते हैं, जाके कुछ ग्रोसरी कर लेते हैं। हमने पीसीआर टेस्ट के लिए रजिस्टर कर दिया है, वो कल सुबह है, but we are a little tired, so let's go and get going. All right, you ready, hun? COVID test first?
Yeah.
We'll just get some groceries for the road. So we were very tired and we decided to pull over the van and sleep here. Look at the view where we were sleeping. Now let's head back to volcano. That's why we came. Okay, so we parked there. We have to hike all the way up to there. That's where the eruption is. It's about 1.5 hour, 2 hour hike one way. Babe, you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.